Going on YouTube? This is just an update because I haven't posted anything. I know I started working on my lady's car and we were supposed to go on like her birthday trip and stuff like that. So this is just an update. I did get the bumper all installed. It's not painted. So you guys can see the grills there. You guys saw the World Cup. Did it score? Yeah, did they score? Oh, damn, Japan's killing it. Let's go back. So, yeah, I did get my girl's bumper installed. I did get the grill. The bumper's installed, grill's installed, fog lights are installed. These were kind of a pain in the butt because they're not like factory. There's eBay. They have like different screws holding them, but it's actually on there. Bumper fit perfectly. I took out the foam that goes inside. Lined up pretty good. I like it. Not too bad. I put the corner lights. The only thing, the fog lights don't turn on because it's actually the plug. So these are for the circle ones. For the plug, for the fog lights, they're a different style harness. So I'm gonna go to a junkyard. Hopefully I could just cut the pigtails because I did find one that had these type of lights. So hopefully I could get that. But everything else is installed. I have been going to the junkyard. I did change the AC vent back here. I just need to replace these vents. She broke this one. So now I gotta change more vents. So yeah, guys, this is the car. That's just an update of it. I know it's been a minute. I had my 4 wisdom teeth pulled out. I had family emergencies. A lot of things, crazy things been happening, so I'm actually been taking time off and stuff, like for recording, doing this stuff. I ended up just doing it. And yeah, like I said, family stuff, it's so insane. My bike fairing came off on one side, like a little mod to it with the lights. I saw a guy do it with his R7, and pretty much this is cool. My dog. So this is pretty cool. I ended up getting a cabinet finally, so now I have the whole setup. The only thing I'm missing is just the AC unit because it's freaking hot. That's why I have the door open. I finally found like the spark plug cover. I don't know why it doesn't focus sometimes. It's trying to focus on my finger. I put the other valve cover there. So pretty much all my detailing stuff kind of went in there. I still need to buy retractable hose for the pressure washer like this one. I ended up accidentally leaving the plug for my taillights on. Messed up the plug, replaced it. So now this one works. Let me show you guys real quick. This one works, pretty nice. I have all my tanks up there. Now all the tubs were over there. They're here now. For the bigger ones, they're over there upstairs. But yeah, guys, so pretty much that's an update of what I have done. Stay tuned. Well, I'm so close to almost getting a new car, guys. So close. But I'll say probably another 3 months, give or take. I'm trying to find the right one, hopefully for my liking. I'll keep updating. I also got, where do I have it? Oh, it's actually right there. Damn it, I should have showed you guys. But I actually changed this tail light because for some reason, like, I kept getting the warning sign about the tail light, and changed the bulb, changed the whole light. Still didn't turn on or anything. So we do have a fuse box because sometimes I guess Mercedes, everything runs differently with a fuse box. So I gotta replace that. It's just I'm having difficulty removing these 2 lines, these 2 wires. Don't want to break it because I just got it. And I think that's it, guys. That's all. Oh, the only thing also too, I got a wire so the Mercedes logo lights up, because it does light up. But for right now, I'm gonna do that. So this is just an update, guys. Sorry, I haven't uploaded. I've just been busy, you know, work, all this family stuff that's going on in my life. I also just got engaged, so that's another thing. So my life's just been hectic that I haven't been able to pick up the camera and pretty much like continue showing you guys. This is pretty simple. I show you guys how to remove it. So it's the same thing. The only thing, you just have to remove some of the stuff from the other bumper, like foam, pretty much the back plate of the fog lights. You gotta remove so they can actually fit flush, because at first I kind of hated the eBay ones. They were not sitting flush, now they do. So it's because they were just missing the back plate. And I said those are eBay, the fog lights. So I just need a different harness. And yeah, guys, that's my update. Sorry. So just keep watching, guys. I promise you. I know I always say this, that I'm gonna continue uploading as much as I can. Like I said, just my life's been hectic. But stay tuned. I got more things, guys. More things.